Hi friends, I'm so happy to see you here for another video. This video is very different than what I typically do. If you're new here, my name's Quenby. I've been reselling on eBay for 14 years. I've been selling on Poshmark 8 years. I've also sold on Etsy, whatnot, ThredUp, so I have a lot of selling experience. And I want to come on and share with you my recent experience with Poshmark and cancellations. I have my phone. I'm going to share with you directly what Poshmark support had to say to me regarding cancellations recently, and I have now 2 examples to share with you. And friends, this is not my typical content. I do a lot of really fun videos where I go into the bins and I take you into the crazy Goodwill outlet bins and show you what I'm finding and what I'm passing on, and then I come home and we do a big haul. So hopefully you'll come back for one of those types of videos too. Why am I doing this? I am doing this because at the time I'm filming this, the very end of December 2025, moving into the new year of 2026, Poshmark is going through some growing pains. If you are a reseller who sells on Poshmark, you're probably like, confused and maybe concerned and wondering what the heck is going on. They have made many changes. For example, they started at first with going from priority shipping to ground advantage. People are weighing in on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook, all the places, whether that's a good thing or not. But it was a big change. They communicated with us pretty well about the fact that that was happening. They are making many changes now. Many sellers have had their accounts suspended, or they've been banned, or they've had many difficult situations happening with Poshmark. They have decided that now they want us to ship within 1 to 2 days. So every day I'm getting an email saying, did you ship this sale? That is very new. They used to give sellers a lot of room to ship at their discretion within like a week. That's a big change. They have suspended sellers for delisting items. That was a couple months back and people are still trying to figure that out. But when you sell something on another platform like eBay or Depop, you need a way to remove it from Poshmark. Well, they were penalizing sellers who were removing many items from Poshmark. They've made many changes. What seems to be another point of contention right now is canceling orders. They do not want sellers canceling orders. I completely understand that, Poshmark. But people who are canceling orders are also getting threatened or suspended. The only way we've found out about these changes that I'm aware of is from other resellers sharing their story. So I'm going to share mine. This involves, I'm not going to out any buyer or anything like that. I'm just going to share my experience. So sellers are being suspended or getting warning emails from Poshmark for canceling orders. Why would a seller cancel an order? Well, there are many reasons, but sometimes, let's be honest, we're all human, we can't find an item. We sell a Banana Republic top, we go looking in our inventory, we can't find it, so we have to cancel and say, sorry, out of stock. Or the item sold on another platform, maybe it's sold on eBay, and maybe you have to go in and manually cancel it on Poshmark. Maybe you don't have a service that has automatic sale detection to remove it, or maybe that service failed, which sometimes happens, so you have to cancel it. I agree with Poshmark that we should not be canceling a ton of orders all the time. That's not good for their platform. So if you're a reseller and you find yourself needing to cancel for out of stock many times, I think you need to take a look at yourself and your business and say, why do I need to cancel 2 or 3 items a week? I mean, that probably shouldn't be happening. So take a look at your processes if that's you. But it has happened to me where I can't find an item and I've had to cancel. It's very rare, but it has happened. It's also happened where I do have a service that is supposed to detect when something sells and remove it, but maybe the item had an offer on it, so it couldn't remove it, and I didn't realize that, so I sold the item, and then I have to reach out to the buyer and say, sorry, I have to cancel your order. No one likes to do that. Sellers don't like it and buyers don't like it, so no one's out here trying to do this, Poshmark. It's just something that happens sometimes in the business. In this case, I sold this Dolce & Gabbana designer top for $120. I was quite excited about this sale. But then, later, more than 3 hours later, I get a message from the buyer saying, hey, I'm looking at the size. I don't think it's going to fit since I'm a large. I didn't realize it's a size small or 4 in US. I'm afraid it won't fit. It's beautiful, but is there any way you can cancel my order? And I'm like, oh God, with everything happening right now with cancellations, I'm like, I don't want to cancel this order. Every day on Instagram, I'm seeing people saying they got in trouble, they got their account suspended for canceling an order. And I'm doing well on Poshmark right now, sale-wise, better than I've ever done. I don't want to lose selling on the platform. So I wrote back to her and said, I think you can cancel. I'll attach a photo of the instructions. If it doesn't work, we can reach out to Poshmark support. And so I screenshotted from the internet directions on how to cancel. The thing is, Poshmark has a rule that a buyer can only cancel within 3 hours. So she didn't make the window of canceling within 3 hours. So she said, for some reason I can't cancel, but there's an option to loop in support. So we loop in support. In the old days, let me tell you what I would have done. I would have just canceled it. There's an option on the drop-down menu that says, reason for cancellation, buyer asked to cancel. It didn't happen that often, so I had no problem. That's the way I would have handled it in the past, but not right now with everything going on. And then we hear from somebody from Poshmark, thanks for inviting me in. I apologize for the inconvenience. Due to the holiday season, we will allow sellers 10 days from the date of purchase to drop off orders before a buyer is able to cancel. If you have not received a shipping update by December 29th from the purchase date, you can cancel for delayed shipment. Okay, let's just analyze what Poshmark is offering up as a solution. Poshmark is offering as a solution is for Quenby the seller to just not ship it and wait 10 days for it to drop off. So Poshmark support, I'm like, I don't want to do that. Number one, I don't want my item tied up for 2 days. This would be, for 10 days, this would be a great holiday item for like a party or whatever. No, I'm not waiting for 10 days. And I don't like that Poshmark's putting it on me that I have to now be kind of a bad seller who doesn't ship it out. And that does go on my analytics. Not that I think it matters as much as on eBay or something, because eBay has always been more strict in penalizing sellers for things like this. But I don't want it on my personal Poshmark seller account that I just never shipped an item and that's why we're canceling it. No, that doesn't work for me. Sorry. So I wrote that back. And I just said, I would prefer to cancel the order now without penalty to my seller account. I know Poshmark is not tolerating cancellations lately. I don't want to tie up my item until the 29th and also have it appear that I didn't ship it out. That doesn't work for me. Poshmark, can't you cancel it now? Ghosted, did not hear from Poshmark support. So I just said, I don't like this. I'm going to cancel. I went in and canceled and I put buyer chose to cancel. Okay, I'm like, I don't like doing that, but I haven't canceled anything in so long, I'm hoping I can get away with this, okay? So then 2 days later, I sold a soft surroundings top and I get a message from the buyer saying, apologies, I ordered this by accident, please cancel. And I'm like, oh no, I'm not canceling another item 2 days later and risk my account. So I wrote back, you can cancel, here are the instructions. Posh is not allowing sellers to cancel. I didn't hear from her. 2 days go by. And again, I'm like, I'm not canceling it. I just canceled another one. So I didn't hear from her back. So I just shipped the item. Why did I make that choice? Because I wasn't going to cancel. I wasn't going to have days go by where I'm not doing my job in shipping. So now it's their problem to deal with. I don't know what's going to happen with the soft surrounding top one. She asked to cancel. I gave her the instructions. She didn't do it, so I did my job on my end and I shipped it. So I might end up getting a message from her saying, I got the item. Why did you ship it? I might have to loop Poshmark support in there. And then guess what? They might have to do something like they pay for her to ship it back, but I'm not having it mess with my account. These are the choices that I am forced to make right now with Poshmark. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. Keep it respectful, keep it clean. I'm not here to bash Poshmark. I like selling on there. I'm making good money on there. I just feel like we have to come up with workarounds. And I'll be honest, I'm watching Instagram videos and stuff and I'm listening to people's workarounds and I'm like, that is not a good solution to this. Like, don't do that. So, we're all trying to figure it out and we're all gonna have different opinions about the best way to do it. I'm sorry that Poshmark is kind of backing us into a corner where we have to like, I would never ship an item to someone normally who said they wanted to cancel. I'd just go ahead and cancel, but now I can't do that. And my account, I have to think as a businesswoman, and the health of my account is more important to me than whether this woman gets a soft surrounding top that she ordered by accident and then didn't cancel. She did not cancel and did not get back to me, so I need to protect my business. That's the way I'm looking at it. I have more I could share, but this is enough for now for us to digest. But let us know our thoughts, and if you do have good ideas, like if I have a blind spot and I didn't see an idea of a better way to handle it, please let me know. But thanks for watching. Do you want to join me back for another video that's a lot more fun, like a bins haul? I hope to see you again.